Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up email notifications in WooCommerce 2026. So actually guys, first you will need to open the email settings. So to do that you will need to log into the WordPress dashboard, and after that just go and over on the WooCommerce on the left hand menu, and there you go, a pop-up window will be shown. So you will need just to go and click on the settings option inside there. Right now, I do really want you to go and click on the emails section that's located on the top of the page. So here you will see all the WooCommerce email notifications divided into two categories, okay? So the admin category, or the admin emails sent to store owners, and the customer emails, okay? Which means sent to customers. So for each email type, you can enable and disable the email. Okay, so for example, new order, canceled order, failed order, order completed, customer invoice, password resets, etc. So you'll need to click manage next to each email to configure it. Okay. So for the admin emails, for example, new order, you will need to set the recipient's email address, which means your email, and you can add multiple emails separated by comments. Okay, so that's the email preview on the bottom of the page. Okay, so you can go and send test email. For customers, actually, we'll need to go back and I'll say this is a customer email. So just click on manage, and right here, WooCommerce automatically send to the customer's email entered at checkout. Okay, so actually, this is the example of how it looks like. So how to customize the email subjects and heading. So right here we can find the subject. So that's one appears in the email inbox. For the email heading, that appears at the top of the email body. And the additional content, that's an optional message or instructions. Okay, so for example, the subject, you can type right here, your order 1234 is confirmed, for example. And the email heading, thank you for your purchase, for example. Okay, and you can go right here and you will be able to see how it looks like on the email. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.